flow sensor and Bej10801 series pressure sensor. So about the transducer 1 GN anesthesia flow sensor. This sensor monitor flow in the anesthesia machines, checking checking its tool.
250.
I know, just so much facility. Checking 250 times per second to make sure safe breathing during the surgery. Made from durable materials. They are disposed, easy to clean, and work with G system like access and precision.
Okay, please avoid reading. Quick. Presentation should be quick, not reading.
So about the transducer 21830 series rock pressure sensor. The 1830 series are waterproof pressure sensor used to measure liquid level in water, wastewater tanks and oceans. Built with strong titanium, they offer high trust and long-term ability to version are available. One with voltage output and another with current output. They are easy to install and secure for hedge. Thank you. We'll continue with my
Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. My name is Ashraf. Okay, I will present about application for our instrument. For the first instrument is anesthesia flow sensor. Have you guys seen this machine before? Because this machine is used in OR room, which is operation room. So this sensor is built inside this machine. So for example, this advanced and care station machine. So
Okay, what is anesthesia? What is anesthesia? So the rest of us will know.
So anesthesia means like when we go into the labor operation room, it make our body feel numb, so we don't feel any pain when we do the surgery.
Views, yeah?
Yes, yes. So function for anesthesia flow sensor is continuously monitor gas flow, which is 250 times per second in the patient airways during surgery to ensure accurate anesthesia delivery and patient safety. So what if this sensor is not function? It will cause it could lead to the dangerous situation like incorrect gas delivery. So that means if this sensor is not function very well, the gas will goes inside our body like it's overload, something like that. Okay. Next is the second instrument is GE drugs PTX 1830. So this instrument we can see inside submerged in water, tanks, river, and hose or wastewater system. So the function is measure hydrostatic pressure to determine liquid level, supporting water resource management, environmental monitoring, and flood prevention. So technically this instrument is like water leveling. So this machine will put the output for water level, and this one is give the signal, and then will come output inside here. So
The main function of anesthesia.
So, Assalamualaikum, hi, my name is Nashar Birodin. So, I will present about operating principle of the anesthesia flow sensor.
Machines or workstations is to measure and add fresh gases emissions. Now we have dealt with
So, the patient is the gas through the cylinder, and he will detect the gas. So he will the sensor will generate and will display the pressure of patient. So he can show that the patient will not to pressure with, while operation.
Hello friends, welcome back.
the main is balanced. There is so the thing this is interport points to the
So the additional flow sensor is using hot wire anemometer at the anesthesia machine at hospital. So this sensor use
amount of flow
one
pressure monitor.
is on with which teach us is the gas flow, and he will detect and generate the resistor and give the output, sorry.
Position R3. So this being away from the system.
Hello friends, welcome back to our
Next
channel instrument
is
calibration on the channel. It's better. The submersible pressure transmitter.
The next movement is 1830 series drug pressure sensor. The sensor used to detect the water level. So the pressure transmitter will detect the sensor for the water level.
And it's designed for submersible pressure transmitter coupled to transmitter, known as the submersible pressure. The submersible, as you can see in this equation, rho is the depth.
So on the video that we got for the equation is for anesthesia potential is Q equals to C times A times square root 2 delta P divide air density. So we see is flow coefficients, A cross section area, delta B measure pressure drop, P air density. So this calculation is done up to 250 times per second to ensure the reliable breathing support. So next series 1830 series drug S. The equation involved is P, which is equal to pressure, density of liquid, P times G times H. H is acceleration due to gravity, H is height of liquid column above the sensor. So the sensor output is directly proportional to H, allowing to determine fluid level.
Hello, this is the summary for data sheet, and this is the manufacturer is GE Healthcare and the type differential pressure flow sensor for engineer for assisted series. Instructions data GE Instantaneous flow sensor. This is the summary for the data sheet. Here is the parameter, specification, and impedance and application. The power supply provided directly by the whole anesthesia machine, which is like exists in the screen of the machine. Signal type, internal property signal to the system's process. And this is the impedance of the an application allows for high-speed data transfer checks to 150 per second, which is so fast as my friends already mentioned before, and implement real-time monitoring of patient's pain. Measurements, here is the gauge, it's 2 to 125 centimeter, H2, which is one. Here is the performance. Accuracy is governed by the host system's automated per use checkout and calibration cycle, which is automatically calibrated by the machine installation. Materials body from titanium grade 9. These materials are essential for Western repeated sterilization for information control. Installation, direct plug and connection into the patient breathing circuit enables quick and error-free replacement by clinical staff between procedures, minimizing downtime and ensuring proper function. Maintenance designed to be cleanable and cleanable. Critical for reusability and preventing cross contamination between patients, reducing both cost and medical rates. Here is data sheet 2, which is for GA drop PTX 1830. GA measurement control, survivable level pressure transmitter. Power supply 9 to 30 VDC, signal type 4 to 20 milliampere, range 1 to 900 psi, accuracy plus or minus 0.06% FSPSL. Materials, titanium body, platinum cable, installation, full submersible accessories for mounting, designed for direct immersion in tanks. Calibration, factory calibrated, and situ verification possible. That is, it is from the factory calibration. Here is how the instrument and industry related to the SDG, which is sustainable
Okay,
development
skip this.
goals.
Next. Right. You closing, okay, conclusion?
The conclusion and closing this case studies from GE healthcare and business and control highlight fundamentals principle what we can accurately measure, we can reliably manage and improve. This capability is the cornerstone of trust in both modern medicine and pharmaceutical manufacturing, directly contributing to a health and safer world.
Okay, right. Okay guys, any questions from you? No?
No.
Alright. Nice presentation? Is this nice presentation? Okay, El Fadl, can you go into your slide presentation? Okay, first thing, for the blood pressure, how this instrument, instrument number 2. Number 1 is, of course, we understand that that is for anesthesia, which is under healthcare and healthcare and pharmaceutical. Pharmaceutical. But what about the number 2, pressure sensor? How this relate with your pharmaceutical, healthcare and pharmaceutical? I asked Albert.
Yeah, I can understand.
You
Which
can
I can
understand. Okay, for
This is the one.
transmitter number 1,
Yeah.
it relates into the industry of healthcare and pharmaceutical.
Yes.
Of course, we use anesthesia, that is for healthcare. Okay, for blood pressure sensor number 2, how this relates to the pharmaceuticals and healthcare?
They make a like a waterproof or
No, the application. I'm talking about the application of the transmitter in the industry. How can you relate this thing into the operation industry of pharmaceutical and healthcare? Okay,
perfect in the medicine and faculty.
okay, Amirul, can you show? By the way, can you answer the question I asked El Fadil? Can you answer for El Fadil?
I think it's not related about our.
Then what you put?
Actually,
I want him to answer.
actually, I want to change it to ultrasound sensor,
Okay.
but our group just said that.
Okay. Now next move into your slide. Okay. Application. Okay, next.